Alright, well today we're taking a look at our 1973 Hurst Olds. This is a very rare car, very beautiful. She's got the numbers matching 455 V8 motor. Just a really sharp Oldsmobile. So let's do a slow walk around and check her out, and then we'll go for a test drive. You can see the paint finish looks beautiful. It's got a great reflection, great shine to it. I believe these cars only came in two colors, either white with the gold or black with the gold. Now you can see the chrome looks great up front here, the bezels around the headlights look great. Just a really clean Hurst. On the driver's side of the body is nice and straight. It's got the matching wheels, the radial TA white letter tires. She's clean all the way down to the rockers. Nice clean finish. Also has a vinyl roof, or I should say a partial vinyl roof with a painted roof as well. Looks great up top. Bright work looks beautiful. These are really cool cars. Of course she has dual exhaust. We'll fire her up in a minute and listen to that. See, the rear quarter looks nice and clean, as well as our rear chrome. Just in beautiful condition. Look into the driver's side of the body again. Just a really straight, clean body, all the way down to the bottom of the quarters. Beautiful, beautiful Hurst. Alrighty, let's take a peek inside. Door panel looks great. The wood trim looks really good. Inside the door jamb is nice and clean. Now these cars have swivel captain seats or bucket seats. The center console and the floor shifter. It is a dual gate Olds shifter. The sport steering wheel. The dash looks good. Just a really clean Oldsmobile. Alright, well let's pop the hood and fire her up. Alright. Exhaust is blowing nice and clean, sounds great. She's idling nice and smooth. She's got factory air conditioning, it's been retrofitted, power brakes, power steering, beautiful engine bay. So let's get her out on the road. Oh, that dual exhaust sounds great. Alright, well just in the spirit of going through our checklist here, let's check reverse real quick. Alrighty. Lots of power in that 455, really takes off. Feels like there might even be a shift kit in the transmission, give it that extra sporty feel. Wow, tons of fun to drive. She drives nice and straight down the road, newer tires so it feels really smooth. speedometer is working. The power brakes feel great. It's not pulling to the left or right when I hit the brakes here. Stops nice and straight. Wow. And this is a nice Hurst. To see the full description, check out our website at primoclassicsllc.com. Follow us on YouTube for more videos of some cool muscle cars. Alrighty, well, till next time.